What are be verbs? They are am, is, are. These be verbs are with the present tense form that we are going to study, simple present tense. This is the third video that you are going to study be verbs. Learn be verbs level 3. Learn be verb is specially prepared for beginners who need help to understand the basic usages of be verbs. We use very simple sentences and expressions for you to understand them clearly. The first section contains with 6 lessons, and this is the third lesson. Go through them one by one until you are very familiar with each sentence in these 6 lessons Learn be verb series. Ways to use be verbs in the present tense. There are 3 be verbs in the present tense. They are am, is, are. These 3 be verbs we use with different personal pronouns. Look at the examples given. The be verbs with different personal pronouns. I am, he is, she is, you are, singular and plural. You can see the difference when we are using with the sentences. We are, they are, and we use when it comes to the plurals with other forms as well. Examples: my friends are, my parents are. Both here we use as plurals, so we use are. Our third lesson is be verbs with verb plus ing plus any object you can use. So we are going to use all the 4 forms of the sentences for you to understand them clearly, such as positive statements, negative statements, interrogative statements or questions, and the short answers. Positive statements, examples with singular forms. I am listening to music. He is making a kite. She is reading a book. You are speaking English. My friend is writing a book. Negative statements with singular forms. I am not listening to music. He is not making a kite. She is not reading a book. You are not speaking English. My friend is not writing a book. Be verbs with the interrogative statements and short answers with singular forms. Are you listening to music? Yes, I am. Is he making a kite? No, he is not. Is she reading a book? Yes, she is. Are you speaking English? Yes, I am. Is your friend writing a book? No, he is not. Or no, she is not. Now we are going to study be verbs with ing form with the plural forms. Positive statements. You are listening to music. We are making a kite. They are reading a book. My parents are speaking English. My friends are writing a book. Negative statements with be verb ing form with plural forms. You are not listening to music. We are not making a kite. They are not reading a book. My parents are not speaking English. My friends are not writing a book. Verbs plus verb ing, interrogative statements and short answers with plural forms. Are you listening to music? Yes, we are. Are we making a kite? No, we are not. Are they reading a book? Yes, they are. Are your parents speaking English? Yes, they are. Are your friends writing a book? No, they are not. In this lesson, you understood how to use be verbs with the present tense with ing form. Basically, when we use be verb with the verb, we have to use verb ing form. Thank you very much for listening, and make sure you like, share and subscribe so you will never miss a video like this. See you soon with our next video. Learn how to learn.